Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to filter events in Process Monitor step by step. Filtering events is one of the most useful features in Process Monitor because it helps you focus on the information you actually need instead of thousands of unrelated system events. So let's get started. First, open Process Monitor on your Windows computer and allow it to run with administrator privileges if prompted. As soon as the application launches, it will begin capturing live system activity, including file operations, registry access, process activity, and thread events. Next, click the Capture button on the toolbar to pause the event stream, then open the Filter menu and select Filter. This opens the Filter window, where you can create custom rules to display only the events you're interested in. Now, choose a filter condition. For example, you can filter by process name, operation, path, or result. Select the condition, choose whether it should be include or exclude, enter the value you want to match, and then click Add. Repeat this process if you need multiple filters, and click OK when you're finished. Resume capturing by clicking the Capture button again, then perform the action you want to monitor. You'll now see a much cleaner event list that contains only the matching results, making troubleshooting faster and easier. If you want to remove or change your filters later, simply return to the Filter menu, edit the existing rules, or reset them to display all captured events again, and that's it. You now know how to filter events in Process Monitor and make it much easier to analyze Windows and application activity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video,